Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a 2021 Volvo S60 T6 R-Design in bursting blue metallic with a charcoal leather interior, and this is the R-Design, so you get those cool R-Design sport seats. This is a retired demo. It just became available. It has 10,000 miles on it, and this is a hot sedan. It has all the things. It's T6 with Polestar. It has the Bowers and Wilkins. It has the Napa leather interior. It's a very nice sedan. I don't think this will be here very long, so I wanted to get a video out real quick. It's got those cool R-Design wheels, the gloss black trim. You'll see that on the bumper, on the dual integrated tailpipes. Those look super cool. Plenty of room in the trunk. So T6 means that it's the 4-cylinder turbo and supercharged engine, and then you get Polestar, and that increases the performance and gives you a little bit more horsepower, but it's really about the overall performance. And these cars are super fun to drive. They're like tiny race cars. Bowers and Wilkins sound system. Beautiful back seats. So you have the Napa leather on the center, and then on the sides you get this open weave grid textile, and that is also on the door panels. And then this has the climate package, so you have the heated back seats, power in the back for your passengers, panoramic sunroof. So the R-Design features these beautiful sport seats with the 4-way lumbar and the leg extension pieces. You also get the metal mesh inlays. A care key that I'm using right now. So these cars come with this orange care key, and with this you'll be able to actually set a speed limit. So if you have someone that you're loaning your car to, maybe you don't want them to go super fast, you can give them this care key. So if you drop down to settings and then system, driver profiles, and I won't be able to edit the care key because I'm using the care key. You'll have to use the master key to set these options up, but you can see it's kind of grayed out. You'll be able to set that, and you can, 30 miles an hour, 40 miles an hour, 80 miles an hour, whatever you want to set it at, that's how you do it. This also has heated steering wheel and heated front seats, and then the Bowers and Wilkins sound system, so you'll be able to choose different options. I really like the jazz club. It's really just makes you feel like you're in a little bar listening to your favorite band. So good. Of course, this has navigation. Well, so many things to go over. We'll keep it short. This is stock number 21045. PortlandVolvo.com has all the details, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching from Portland Volvo.